Welcome to another episode of Outdoors with Scott Reeves. It's been 29 years since I fished on a river, but we're going to try something different this time. And we're going to try the river that feeds the Belton Lake. You're going to see me set the lines. We're going to catch bait. We're going to bait the lines tomorrow morning with our fingers crossed. We're going to pull off some monster catfish. My wife and a few friends says I talk too much, so let's just get after it. Most of the rivers anywhere from 9 to 12 feet deep. Water temperature is 85 degrees. Not a lot of current, but the river is up. Been a long time since I've been out here. Run this trot line diagonally across the river in this bend. And then I'm going to splice this inner tube and then tie it to one of those solid trees over there. I've got about 30 perch in there. Most of them are pretty much the same size. About 3 or 4 inches long. I've got all my lines set out. I got about 30 hooks baited. Everything's baited with perch. So it's early. I didn't want to bait them this early, but I couldn't keep them alive. Worried about the gar eating everything. We'll keep our fingers crossed and see what happens. We'll see y'all in the morning. Right here, the river drops off from 7 feet to 14. Stays that way pretty much the rest of the way. No bait on that one. No bait on that one either. That's not a real good sign. This line right here is kind of in a weird position. almost towards the bank or upstream a little bit. That's kind of sometimes a sign of a yellow cat. There's something on here. Big old monster blue. Ugh. Whoa. Now that's a hog leg there, folks. These blue cats, man, they just spin and spin and spin. They ain't like a yellow cat. Yellow cat, he make about 7 or 8 good runs and then tire out. This dang old yellow blue cats, man, they fight to the death. And they just spin. That's all they know how to do. What's that? Folks, these circle hooks here, I swear by them. Some of y'all might think they're too big, but that's a 10-aught circle hook right there. Well, this is what he looks like. He's a pretty good sized one. We're gonna get a weight on him. £22. That's a nice blue cat right there. But we're gonna turn him loose. Let somebody else have some fun one day. He was ready to go. Well, if I don't catch another fish, the trip was worth it. This line seems to be moving around a little bit. Something's on it. Now some of y'all may be wondering why I turned that big blue cat loose. Folks, this is about a 1.5 pound, 2 pound blue. These are what you want to eat. And the one I turned loose is a breeder. We're going to leave this one in the bottom of the boat for now. See if we catch a couple of more like him. We'll have us a mess of fish. The limb is broke on this one. It's still hanging though. There's something on it. That's not usually how I bring a catfish in, but people say I use too big of hooks. This is about a pound-and-a-half catfish, and he got that big hook in him. I don't feel anything. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I feel something. He just woke up. Oh. You little bait thieving rascal. He's an eater. Here's something else. Oh, there's a nice blue. He can go 5 or 6 pounds. He had that all wrapped up around him. Hell, no wonder he wasn't jerking. Well, all in all, it wasn't a bad morning. It's not what I wanted, but, you know, I went out targeting for yellow cats and ended up with blue cats. But I guess it could have been worse. I could have got skunked. But I caught a nice 22-pounder, an 8, and a bunch of good 2-pounders. But maybe next time. You just got to keep going at it. But Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe, give me that thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Take care.